Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today my mukbang is about a barbecue. There was barbecue chops, chicken wings, and I've got zucchini there that I put on the barbie as well. My daughter made the garden salad, which has got olives, feta cheese, tomato and red onions, and I made the potato salad, which has eggs, spring onions and the mayonnaise that I like. People like the best food mayonnaise. I love it too, but not a whole lot of it. I just like mixing it in with the mayonnaise that I prefer, and it's called Praise mayonnaise. Yeah, I've always liked that. It's got a bit sweety flavour. Anyway, guys, look, I'm gonna show you guys my plate of food. Okay, see, don't mind the darkness of it. It's alright. It's edible. Yeah. Anyway, gonna enjoy my barbecue. You can see it, guys. Okay, I'll put it back a bit here. Let's move camera on an angle. Yeah, there we go. Here. Now does that look better? Okay. Here goes, guys. Oh, chopped a bit of my head off, but here. I think I'm gonna put a bit of barbecue sauce. And I'm gonna put a bit of mustard on. Oh, hang on. Hopefully I'm not gonna kill the flavour on this chicken wing. Anyway, here goes. This is chops. There was sausage, but I didn't add it in. Sorry. Just zucchini. Cucumber. How's everyone's day been? I just had my sister over, and so she left to go home. I thought, when we used to live in New Zealand, we used to have heaps of barbecues all the time, but it was usually held on a Sunday. And then when you have your relatives coming over, I always used to look forward when my relatives used to come over, because then the adults, they do their thing and us kids, we go and find us a corner to hang out and catch up with everyone's week or Do you like olives? I love olives. I just couldn't stand it. I thought, oh, how horrible. But then you can't enjoy it. You can't like it if you're not going to try it, eh? So there was this Tongan man who works with my husband. He used to love eating olives, and then he started telling my husband that he used to not like it, but when one time he was working on a boat, like fishing, and there was these men that always used to eat it all the time, and he thought he'll try it. And he said the trick of it, eat a little bit at a time, and then eventually you crave it to eat olives. And it's true, because olives are nice. So I will give things a try. Here's my chicken wing with a bit of mustard on it. I've got a request. I had a request from a girl out in. I got a request by a girl named Ellen Tuff. That's her name. I wrote it down, and she had asked me if I can do raw fish and sakakalo, and of course I will do that for her. It's one of the beautiful foods is oka and sakakalo. Yes, please, I will definitely do that for her. What fish do you prefer to use as a raw fish? My personal favourite is the New Zealand snapper. So I'll be making that soon and doing a video with it. Anyway, my drink today is good old Sunkiss. That olive actually had a pip. Excuse me, guys. Let me get the rest of these olives in and put them in yum. I took my family to the park yesterday with my mum, and we had a barbecue. And the younger kids went and played, and we got stuck into making the barbecue. Onion. In New Zealand, people like to use flaps, but they call it some butchers call it naan bread, but in New Zealand we always knew it as flaps. With lamb chop, you can do any food with it, really. I can do it curry, I do curry and chow mein, roast it, fry it, lamb, good old lamb. Who doesn't like it? Lamb, I love lamb. Well, unless you're vegetarian, vegan, then you don't eat that kind of stuff, eh? Well, sometimes you gotta use your hands. Some people prefer not to eat this part of the wing, you know, that flappy bit, but I don't mind it. Right now I would. There's nothing there. I guess this is what because some people, they like to eat chicken feet. And I think, oh yeah, I wouldn't want to eat that. But hey, this is like chicken feet, I reckon. If it's tasty to eat it like that, then I'm sure I can eat the chicken feet. But please don't ask me to do it. Then that means I'll have to go to Kapamata to buy some. No way. The travel will be fine. No, please don't ask me. Yep. This is nice. It's a chop. I've been enjoying the Simon videos out there. No? I didn't know how many there were. There was so many. I was like, I just think, oh, how cool. For a couple of years now, guys, I've been wanting to do a video, but my kids always say to me, no, you know, like, no, Mum. But, hello, don't knock it until you try it. Hey, folks, we old people want to do a video too. Well, give me some mustard. The Americans, they love mustard. But I ain't no American. I'm a Samoan. But I love mustard. This one's a honey mustard, so it's more mild on the palate. Oh, I'm going to need some more mashed potato now. And you guys might think, oh look, she must have bought that. No, I didn't. I made it. I made the potato salad, and I had to put some away for my mukbang in case I look for the food, and it's all gone. Anyway, yeah, so you got to be, putting your stuff away. Or the kids, they like to waste it. They had egg and potato. Potato salad, you have to put a bit more mayonnaise than usual, because after you leave it for a while, it starts to dry up. But if you got quite a bit of extra feta cheese, That was a nice cucumber. Yeah, so you have to put a little bit more mayonnaise than usual, and then you just chop up the spring onion, or shallots as some people like to call it, and then mix it in. Yep, guys, this food is very tasty. Barbecues are tasty, hey. Well, not if you burn it. There's nice bites. I didn't eat a lot of my tomatoes. Tomatoes. It was Samoa week last week. I don't know if you're from America, if you have that. But in New Zealand, they have Samoa week or Cook Island week. It's good, because got to teach our kids their tongue. Well, myself and my husband, we didn't do that, because he's Cook Islander and I'm Samoan, obviously, and we had this plan, like, oh yeah, we'll teach our kids our tongue, but it got, because it gets the kids frustrated, and because they don't know what we're saying, so we thought, oh, never mind, we'll just speak English. But now that they're growing up, they go, Mom, why do you teach us Samoan? I tried, but they didn't even sort of want to learn anyway. But like they say, it's never too late. That's if they really want to learn, hey? I'll give them some fat Samoa. But yeah, I don't pay me money. You will see oil. Okay, they might like that. So, when I think about it, it is quite sad that some of our kids, they grow up, they don't know their tongue. You know? Because my husband is saying that our lingo, our language, will probably die with us. Look, I can speak Samoan. My husband speaks. Atataki kukaran. Well, if they want to learn, just come to me. I'll go, yeah. Yeah, no, first fat Samoa there. Yeah. Abe ipu ya. Ale fulu. Wailoa. Yeah, Faftai lava. Yeah. A lot. Show time for it. Anyway, guys, look, didn't I do well? Look, it's only the bones here. And I did good, eh? Because there are times I don't finish it, but today I must have been hungry. So, do you notice who I hardly spoke? Hardly talked. Because I was, getting stuck into the food. I always say I hardly talk, but when I watch my video, I'm just non-stop talking. Anyway, sorry guys. I just gotta end this video now. Thanks for stopping by. It's just that we had a barbecue and I thought, I want to put a mukbang on. And don't forget, Alan Tup, I'm going to do that raw fish for you and that sakagalo. Yeah. Yeah. And then give me a thumbs up. Yeah, and thanks for dropping by. Next time, I'll have my oka ready and my kalo, and then I'm gonna, just show you guys how to enjoy it. Because I definitely will. Yep, whawhitai lava for stopping over. This is Faye Vids here. Yeah, whawhitai lava manuia lewa yaso, because it's Monday today. I hope you guys take care of yourself, be awesome, and see you next time I'm around. Yeah, thank you. Bye.